Tonight, 13 Investigates has a very urgent consumer alert, and it's one that we've told you about before.
Yeah, millions of defective dehumidifiers are now under recall, but many families still don't know about the danger.
So tonight, our senior investigative reporter Bob Siegel is back, showing you why one of those families is lucky to be alive and how you can tell if the dehumidifier that you have at your house or perhaps in your basement, in fact, is dangerous.
Two elderly residents rushed to the hospital. Firefighters say while they slept, this house on the north side of Indianapolis filled with smoke. And it didn't take long to figure out where it came from.
Investigators are downstairs looking at the dehumidifier. The only thing that was on fire was the actual dehumidifier appliance.
This is all that's left of that dehumidifier. It's just a pile of melted plastic and charred metal. And the scary part is this same thing has been happening all over the country.
There's the melted down unit.
Across America, hundreds of homes have already burned because of faulty dehumidifiers. They've caused a staggering amount of damage to houses like this one in Kokomo.
It just totally devastated everything.
Some of the defective dehumidifiers were recalled 4 years ago. But right now, millions of families still have one of the recalled units in their basement. The Wood family in Westfield, they learned the hard way. They were playing a game when they smelled smoke and discovered flames down in the basement.
That is a dehumidifier. Evidently, it caught fire and melted in place.
Yesterday, the same thing happened in Indianapolis.
It's not hard to determine that this was the cause right here.
Tim Brown says his elderly father and aunt are lucky they got out of the house alive. None of them knew anything about the nationwide recalls.
Honestly, this is the first time I kind of heard about this.
The recalls now include more than 5.6 million dehumidifiers. They've reportedly caused over 450 fires and more than $24 million in damage. The recalls impact 60 different brands, all built between 2003 and 2013. And they were sold at big-name retailers all across the country and online at eBay and Amazon. And when one of these units catches on fire, it's usually destroyed so badly, it's not even possible to tell the make or model.
It's dangerous. It could have been way worse.
While the cleanup goes on back here, the bottom line for everybody else is if you haven't checked your dehumidifier already, you need to do it now. You can go to WTHR.com. We've got all the information there that you'll need to be able to check and see if your dehumidifier is under recall. In Indianapolis, Bob Siegel, Channel 13 Eyewitness News.
This is really important news, and Bob says the good news is that both residents in that home are expected to make a full recovery. One's been released from the hospital already. Family members say the other could be released as early as tonight. The home does have more than $20,000 in smoke damage.